Hey everybody.
Hello, everybody. Howdy, y'all.
What are we doing? What are we doing today?
We are going to one of our favorite restaurant. It is called El Centenario.
Yes,
It's a
Mexican food.
it's a Mexican food, and it's right there on the Waynesville, in town of Waynesville, and
It,
it's very very good. So
very delicious.
we're gonna go over there. Surprised we waited this long to go over there, but
Yeah. You've been taking some Spanish classes online. You gonna speak a little Spanish in there?
no, not really, because that Duolingo is more like a game instead
Language. All right. So we're gonna stop at We're gonna get gas. So we'll just
Yeah.
we'll get ready and then we'll start filming up at the gas station. Sound good?
Yeah, that
All right.
sounds great.
See you in a bit.
Alrighty.
What are you doing?
What?
Are you ready?
Yeah, I was waiting.
You just tired of waiting on me? Trying to get the camera to work?
Kind of. I'm like, hello.
It's hot out here.
It's cooking in the sun. My right leg is like burning.
Your right leg's burning? All right. Wallet, keys, phone. I got everything. Okay, you know the route?
Which way are you going? Do you want to go take the outer road or Waynesville route?
Let's take this road. And then we'll come home.
Around.
Then we'll come home the other way. It's clear. Your blinker's on.
I changed it. Well, we turn in again here anyway.
I was trying to catch you, but I can see I can't catch you.
You called me.
Yeah, but I can't. You took off once we started going up the hill. It is a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. It's nice. It's not hot.
Yeah, it's not hot at all. It's really nice.
As long as we're moving.
Yeah.
Trucks?
Ooh, big old truck.
They're carrying all the weeds from weeds plant.
He's carrying a load full of the devil's lettuce.
I'm assuming that's what it is.
Oh, I'm sure that's what it is.
I mean, and that's the only thing over there in that industrial side or something.
Isn't that
Ooh, ooh, it smells like a weed.
smell like skunk weed? It sure does.
Yeah, skunk. Well, no, it's not as bad as skunk.
Yeah,
I don't think.
that's
But
called
it's
yeah, we call it the devil's lettuce.
What's the letters?
Yeah, that's what people call it. So this should be an easy takeoff.
I don't know. After the truck, and there's a car behind us.
That'll be all right. Don't forget the downshift, though.
Yeah. I'm not having good luck with the shifting lately.
Don't get too close to him, you might roll back.
Okay.
Nope. Okay, we're ready. This lane.
It's not. That's right. Turn lane.
Oh, is it? Hey, I'm in the front. I'm never riding the front.
Yes, you are.
You can follow me.
You probably leave me. I was like, monkey down.
Monkey down. Okay, do you want to turn left here or go down and turn in the flat part?
No, this one's okay, I think.
Okay.
I hope.
There you are. All right, we got the green light.
Turn, turn, turn.
Oh, our favorite parking spot's open. No, are they closed today?
No. Maintenance.
Let me go read the sign.
You said, sorry, closed for maintenance. We will be open. Something.
Says they're supposed to reopen Wednesday.
Today? Today?
Yeah.
Maybe with tonight.
Yeah, maybe. Are they in there? I don't see nobody.
Well, what?
Boo!
What are we gonna do now?
Well, I'm gonna come over here and flip this up so you can breathe. Can you breathe? Can you breathe?
Yes.
Okay, so our options now are we can
Out. Whew. I do need
we
to change the seat.
hey, listen, I'm talking.
What?
We can go over They have Taco Bell, Subway, or McDonald's. That's our only
Oh,
options.
great.
I don't want any of that.
No. I think maybe we should just go back and get some coffee and then leave.
Get some coffee. Oh, at the coffee shop? Yeah. Well, that's a bummer. I was hungry.
Oh, me too. Where can we go?
But every once in a while, that's how it works out. So,
I mean, that's the only option we got here.